Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 7272, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 7272, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 7272 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 7272 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 7272 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 7272? Angel number 7272 symbolizes harmony between spiritual awareness and practical choices. It blends the introspective wisdom of the number 7 with the balance and cooperation of the number 2. When seen repeatedly, 7272 is a message from the universe that you are being guided to trust your intuition while also nurturing your relationships and emotional well-being. It suggests a time of spiritual growth, inner clarity, and a need to balance your life path with diplomacy and compassion. This number often appears when you're on the brink of personal transformation and are encouraged to stay aligned with your higher purpose. What's the symbolism of angel number 7272? The symbolism of 7272 reflects duality, balance, and spiritual evolution. The number 7 represents inner wisdom, mysticism, and enlightenment, while 2 symbolizes partnership, harmony, and faith. Together, these numbers suggest a repeating cycle of introspection and cooperation, reminding you that growth often happens when the spiritual self and the emotional self work together. The pattern emphasizes dual forces working in unity, such as intellect and emotion, solitude and companionship, or faith and action. Angel number 7272 encourages you to seek equilibrium in your relationships and decisions, showing that spiritual strength is enhanced by emotional intelligence and mutual understanding. What is the angel number 7272 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 7272 signifies awakening, divine harmony, and inner balance. The repetition of 7s points to deepening your spiritual knowledge, connecting with divine wisdom, and embracing solitude for reflection. The 2s in the number signal divine partnerships and a call to maintain peace, both within yourself and with others. This number often appears when you're being called to trust your intuition and serve your higher calling while also fostering spiritual connections with others. It's a message that true spiritual progress requires balance, honoring both your personal journey and the role you play in supporting others on theirs. What does the angel number 7272 mean for love? In love, angel number 7272 speaks to balance, trust, and emotional awareness. The number 2 is strongly associated with partnership and mutual understanding, while the number 7 brings wisdom, reflection, and emotional depth. When you see 7272, it's a reminder to cultivate trust, patience, and openness in your romantic life. If single, it may be encouraging you to align spiritually before entering a relationship. If in a relationship, it suggests deepening your emotional bond through empathy and clear communication. The number asks you to evaluate your needs, set healthy boundaries, and nurture connections that support your inner growth and harmony. What does angel number 7272 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 7272 is a powerful sign of mirrored spiritual development and emotional balance. It suggests that both you and your twin flame are on a path of self-discovery, and that divine timing is at work. The 7s point to inner wisdom and healing, while the 2s emphasize partnership, cooperation, and divine union. Whether you're in union or separation, 7272 encourages both individuals to grow spiritually and emotionally in preparation for a deeper reunion. This number highlights that twin flame connections require inner peace, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to evolving together in true. What does angel number 7272 for manifestation? Angel number 7272 supports mindful manifestation, encouraging you to align your spiritual beliefs with your external intentions. The 7 energy brings clarity, spiritual insight, and intuitive knowing, while the 2 energy supports patience, cooperation, and aligning with divine timing. This number suggests that your manifestations are unfolding in divine order and that now is the time to focus your energy on balance, between desire and detachment, action and surrender. It also serves as a reminder that what you wish to attract must align with your soul's truth. When 7272 appears, trust the process and continue manifesting from a centered heart. How does angel number 7272 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 7272 encourages thoughtful planning, spiritual integrity, and cooperative efforts. The number 7 invites you to reflect on your financial habits and align them with your long-term values, while 2 emphasizes balance, partnerships, and harmony in financial decisions. You may be guided to approach money from a more spiritual or purpose-driven mindset rather than focusing solely on material gain. This number may also indicate financial growth through teamwork, mentorship, or collaborative ventures. It advises patience, wise budgeting, and trusting that financial stability is attainable when both intuition and practical wisdom are applied. What does angel number 7272 mean for former relationships? Angel number 7272 suggests that healing from former relationships is possible through introspection and emotional balance. The number 7 calls you to reflect on the lessons from the past, while the number 2 encourages forgiveness, inner peace, and compassionate closure. This number appears when you're being urged to make peace with what was and to restore emotional harmony within yourself. It emphasizes the importance of not repeating old patterns and highlights the need for spiritual growth before re-entering romantic connections. 7272 encourages moving forward with grace, viewing past experiences as stepping stones toward greater self-awareness and emotional maturity. How does angel number 7272 guide your work life? Angel number 7272 in your career encourages a balance between intuition and collaboration. The 7 energy points to deep insight, self-awareness, and a need to align your work with your spiritual values. The number 2 suggests that cooperation, teamwork, and diplomacy are essential for success. You may be at a stage where you're being guided to pursue more meaningful work or improve harmony within your professional relationship. This number promotes self-reflection on your career goals while reminding you that progress often requires mutual support and shared vision. It's a sign to lead with both purpose and emotional intelligence. What are the strengths of angel number 7272? Angel number 7272 carries powerful strengths in emotional intelligence, spiritual wisdom, and relational harmony. Those connected to this number are often thoughtful, intuitive, and naturally attuned to the needs of others. The balance of 7 and 2 creates a personality that is both self-aware and cooperative. Individuals influenced by 7272 excel in roles that require empathy, mediation, and insight. Their strength lies in creating peaceful environments, understanding complex emotional dynamics, and offering guidance rooted in compassion. This number inspires trust in divine timing and encourages the strength to move forward with both grace and grounded spiritual purpose. What are the weaknesses of angel number 7272? Despite its strengths, angel number 7272 may indicate potential challenges such as overthinking, emotional sensitivity, or passivity. The introspective nature of 7 can lead to excessive self-analysis or withdrawal, while the diplomatic energy of May 2nd sometimes cause avoidance of conflict or an over-reliance on others' approval. People influenced by this number might struggle with indecision or lose sight of their needs while trying to maintain peace. To overcome these tendencies, it's essential to balance self-reflection with action and assertiveness. Angel number 7272 reminds you that true harmony includes setting boundaries and honoring your inner voice.